All right, last page, the division. So let's just do this. Well, this is 3 times 2, right? Square root of 4 is 2, and this is square root of 16 is 4. So this is 5 times 4. So that's, well, we can cancel first here. There's 2 and then 2 2's in there, so that's 10 over 3. Okay. This one. This one is 5 times square root of 15 is not going to do anything. But this one is 25 times 5, right? This is 25 times 5. So this is 5 times 5. So I should write it that way, actually. 5 times 5 times 5. So now I know that that's 5 times 5 times 5 because I've done enough problems. If you don't see it, you have to prime factor, right? Like we practiced, you know that there's 5 in there, there's 2, and then 5, so that's 5 and 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so 1, 5 comes out. So you have a 5 root 15 and then 5 root 5. And these are multiplying, right? So this is the same as 5 over 5 times root 15 over root 5, right? You remember two fraction multiplying, you multiply the numerator and you multiply the denominator. So if you have these, you can separate it this way. It's the same thing. Don't do that when there's a plus or minus. It only works when there is a multiplying. Okay, so this is 1, right? And then this is 1 times square root of 15 over 3. You remember you can write the two fractions into 1, just like the multiplication, two numbers multiplying, you can put it under the same roof. So this is 1 times 3 divides into 15, that's square root of 5, which is square root of 5. I'm sorry, yeah. No, I'm sorry, this was 5. Yeah, I'm sorry. This was 15 and 5, so this is 5, so this should be 3. I don't know why I wrote 3 there. So this is square root of 3, which is square root of 3. Okay? Right, this one. This one, this is a 3. Square root of 9 is 3. And then 5 plus 4 root 2. And since the 3 doesn't divide into any of these numbers, this is where it stays. Okay? Oh, none of these are rationalization problems. We need to practice rationalization problems. Alright, so this one, let's see, this is 5. And square root of 3 minus square root of 2. There's nothing else you can do. This is where it stays. And this one is the same thing. This is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Minus 5 plus root 3. There's nothing else you can do, so this is where it stays. Okay, I need to give you the rationalization problems. Alright, have a nice weekend.